Welcome to our bicycle shops video where we feature one of the best kids bikes of 2025, a stylish, high quality Japanese bicycle perfect for young riders. In this video, we give you a full review, go over all the key features like gear, light, and safety brakes, and show the first ride experience with a young rider trying it out right from our local bicycle shop. What's inside this video? Overview of the bike's design and build quality, gear system and the braking demonstration, safety feature and comfort details, first time reaction from a child rider, real-time setup from our bike shop. This bike is available now at our bicycle shop. Come visit us to check out more models for kids and families. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more bike reviews, tips, and fun family rides. Turn on notifications so you never miss an update. On the other hand, if you don't understand or have any question, please write them down. Please enjoy watching, and if you all find this video useful, please subscribe my channel to get more new videos. Please watch with pleasure until the end of the video to get more new experience.
จะอดเอาไว้ฉลองห้องมือฉลองเรามืออดโตอย่างเต้า
To conclude, I would like to thank everyone who took the time to watch my video until the end. And don't forget to subscribe my channel to get more new video. Goodbye. See you next time. Thank you. Bye bye.